Mama, I made it to Cyrus's show.
Who I found out his real name is not Mantra.
I gave a wake up call to a guest who liked my voice, and the next thing is I'm India's first ever private FM radio jockey.
Amongst the best impressionists in the country.
3 minute.
हाँ.
सिर्फ 3 minute है तुम्हारे पास. I'm a big fan of Sadhguru also. Have you?
I want him on the thing. He's a bike lover.
Well, you will need to have him.
Yeah.
He would be over here and tell you, Cyrus.
Yeah.
You come and bike on me.
He got close to getting him.
আমি কি বলছি তোমাকে আমি বলেছি যে তোমার গুড়ে পাড়া দেবো এই জয় মা
Well, my sisters and brothers, can you imagine? Raj Rishi, Dashgupta, Shapta Rishi, Luchu and Buchu.
That's what I want.
I started on my career before radio in the hospitality industry. Guess what? Whose recommendation I went with? Panwala. I was in Indore.
I was going to go Ratan Tata.
I have served you.
What?
Yes.
Bellboy
Chutya, that's ball boy.
And I stand with Sachin Tendulkar and Nasir says, Mera Nasir khada hu. Utni der mein Sachin Tendulkar goes inside. Nasir and Sachin Tendulkar, perfect picture. My picture, Sachin Tendulkar's full iron picture. I was a very serious cricketer, Sai. I was a very serious cricketer. I could have actually been there. Coach used to call me Bhata bowler.
And now we will reveal the woman who called him into the hotel room. Because she is a famous socialite. और आज भी बहुत famous है वो. Your options are. Cyrus says, and I'm joined by one of the legends, one of the greats of all time, who I found out his real name is not Mantra. I didn't know that. I don't. Why I didn't think that. Obviously, it can't be his
Can't
real
be
name.
Mantra. Which mama papa
Boss,
will go ahead and say,
boss.
आज मेरे बच्चे का नाम मंत्रा
पहला
होगा."
मुलाकात 1991 में हुआ था or 86 or something like that. I don't know. I think Indira Gandhi was prime minister. It was a long time ago.
Yeah, she got us connected.
And no, you were very famous in that whole Delhi radio thing, and everybody's talking about this guy, very good impressionist, amongst the best impressionists in the country.
I started off as a mimic artist.
mimic
I started
artist.
off. I was in the hotel industry.
करके दिखाओ ना, it won't look good here.
कौन सा वाला सुनना चाहते हैं आप?
Sir, उसका नहीं.
किसका सुनना
I
चाहते हैं
want
आप?
him to come here. Go to somebody else. Go to somebody else.
बताओ, क्रिकेटर सुनोगे, एक्टर सुनोगे, क्या सुनोगे?
रोहित शर्मा कर सकते हैं.
नहीं, रोहित शर्मा. जो रोहित शर्मा का बस मेरे को इधर पे वो आता है वो नहीं.
आपका मनपसंद ना. You
Well, I
you
tell you something, with Pomi Mbangwa coming into the seat right now,
yeah.
he's gonna be very, very happy. Cyrus, how you doing today?
I'm great. I wish he comes on the show.
Hey, Pomi, I love Pomi.
Yeah.
In fact, out of all the
He's nicest personality, no?
True. Out of all the commentators,
And never mean.
Never mean.
Even when he's criticizing, he's almost apologizing and criticizing. So they can't get angry.
I'm sorry to say, I'm a sports commentator myself,
हाँ.
but the way the
इतना
English
खुद
comment.
खुद तारीफ करता है इसमें then what
नहीं
is
नहीं
my
मैं
role?
मेरा
मेरा क्या काम है इधर?
मैं
Fucking guest comes and starts telling you how great he is.
नहीं नहीं मैं स्पोर्ट्स कमेंटेटर है, पर मैं कान पकड़ के मैं माफी मांगता हूँ. ये जो शेरो शायरी होता है हिंदी कमेंट्री के अंदर कि
You're right. It's
इसको
gone
दिया
too
है
far.
मौका, लग गया है चौका, आसमान से बात कर रही है गेंद.
And Mantra, you know what bothers me? कि मेरे सोच में they have kept the thing ready. You know the idiom is ready on the thigh or something. Because it's audio mostly, we're not seeing them.
True.
And then suddenly they have this fucking Premchand moment. You know, and I'm like, why?
Premchand moment.
No, but this, why?
इस गेंद की तस्वीर से
शेरी-
देखकर लगता है कि न जाने इस गेंद से इश्क हुआ. मैंने कहा क्या इतनी देर में तो गेम खत्म हो गया.
And suddenly why?
शेरीपा.
Sharif started it,
Yeah.
but I'm okay with him because he was 1 in a million.
Absolutely.
Okay, but when you start copying him, it's like you're killing the game after
And
some time.
Sharipa was always very, very kind. In fact, one of my first commentary moments was with him, and I entered the room. It was, I think, the beginning of 2020. First few matches of 2020, I think 2008 or 9 ke aaspas ho raha tha. And I was taken to Pune. I think it was an India-England match. And I was thrown into a room and said that you'll be commentating. And there's Ramiz Raja, Sunil Gavaskar, Navjot Singh Sidhu, everybody sitting there. And I'm like a young kid. I'm like, oh, God damn it, where am I? And everybody just looked at me. What is this kid doing here? Why is he even here? It was Navjot Singh Sidhu who put his hands on my shoulder and
I said, chai lana.
"Oh, Guru, ये लड़का हमारे साथ यहाँ पर काम करेगा, कोई इसे कुछ नहीं बोलेगा." And suddenly I was given a lot of.
He can go
respect
from
for-
Chase Hindi to Mumbai Hindi also in just one
And
line.
you're right about that. He's this very old copy.
Yeah.
Very old.
Studying
copy.
the idioms.
Yeah, almost you can see this that this has been there with him since his playing days.
It's literally complete works of Kahawat or something. You know, every Kahawat in every language is there.
But he's deep, man. He's very,
He's great. I did about 12 shows with him for the, I shouldn't mention alcohol, but Teachers is a brand.
I did that.
Exactly. So then you get to know the guy and spending time
No,
with
he's
him.
awesome. He's a philosopher.
But one thing, I know he's a great storyteller,
Yeah.
boss. End of the day, you want a storyteller. And,
True
and,
that, sir,
and
true
if you
that.
talk to Manjrekar and all,
True.
they say he was so quiet in the dressing room. We all stunned ki ye Avatar kahan se aa gaya?
I, as a viewer,
It's
as
like
a-
Arnab. It's exactly like Arnab. No one knew Arnab would become Arnab.
Yes, that's
They
what
were
I've
this
heard.
quiet guy from Oxford who's well behaved and all that. And then
And I
switch.
remember, Saib, and remember watching Navjot Singh Sidhu
Hmm.
and the last few matches when he was called Jaunty Sidhu
Yeah.
because he was flying
good.
around.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
He
And
reinvented himself.
the first
Huh.
time I saw him, and I promise you this thing, the
Hmm.
first time I saw him pick up a man of the match award, I'm like, oh my God, he's going to go and he's just going to go, oh my God.
Mhm.
But oh my God, prolific English, profound
Speaks
thoughts.
very good English.
And I'm
yeah.
like, wow. And I became a fan
Son
of
of an attorney general, boss. He
Absolutely.
comes from super education and all that.
Absolutely.
I think sometimes I'm quiet in the dressing room thinking, in log ke paas koi becha bhi nahi hai. So I'm not, yeah, whatever.
He was much more intelligent than
But he used to do one thing. So he had this one story. It was a beautiful story. You must have heard it. Rajan Bala, famous columnist,
yeah,
wrote
of course, of
in
course.
80s, he plays the 3-day match against Clive Lloyd's West Indies and he makes a very slow 100. So they call him, Rajan called him Strokeless Wonder. It was front page. Strokeless Wonder, which is not exactly a compliment. So he decided to, he was very hurt. He kept the clipping up. His dad was hurt. Everybody was hurt. And every day he saw like a Amitabh Bachchan film. Her din, he'd wake up in the morning, he'd see the clipping, Strokeless Wonder. So every day he said, I would give some Cadbury chocolate to the boys to bowl to me and I would just practice sixer hitting.
Wow.
So we started in, the first thing was in Kerala, in the south, in Kochi. So he said, every day I khilao these guys some chocolate. And I said, chalo, ball feko. And I would hit 50 to 60 cigarettes before going home.
Wow, man.
Then second city we went to was, say, Chennai. So it's the same story, but I would hit 80 to 90 cigarettes. Then we reached, fucking end was Chandigarh, hometown almost, at the end after 10 or 12 cities.
Yeah.
By then it was 496.
But those were the days when strokeless wonders to this 2026,
He
when
became
every
The
shot
best
is
one day
a big
batsman for a short while for us.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. And now you've got a Vaibhav Suryavanshi.
It's all come from the past. I'm a big believer in By the way, you passed my test.
Which
You said Gavaskar.
Yes. Why? What do people call him?
Maharashtrians say Gavaskar.
Why?
Mumbai, they don't. I mean, how can you not know how to pronounce his name?
Man, absolutely. What's
that's a
your
test.
infatuation with cricket, Sai? We all know that you're. I'm sorry, this is where the tables.
Yeah,
turn.
you're supposed to talk about him, and at some point we will talk
But
about him.
This is what happens. though,
Actually,
when-
you're talking to them. I'm talking to them.
when a podcaster meets podcaster, that's what happened. But man,
Podcast-
you're a legend, bro.
I'm-
It's my
I'm-
absolute
I'm
honor and a pleasure to be here.
I'm not a podcast. I'm an out of work star.
Well said. Well said.
Correct, no?
That's what my friend Brijesh Hirji says when
Yeah.
he's being called a
He's
radio
not out of work, but he Gujarati boy.
Yeah.
He's always working hard. Kachi, actually.
Yeah, but you
Rajesh is, if he's not working in front of the camera, he'll be doing a play, he'll be doing some event, he'll be doing some Ghatkopar special Mr. India contest, but he'll be doing something.
But people like you, Brijesh Hirji, like first of all, you both refuse to age. You refuse to carry on and say that, hey man, we are from the dinosaur era. But no, you guys can.
Rajesh एक साल ऊपर है हम मेरे ख्याल से. Yeah, one year up.
These
Yeah.
boys 6.5 and 7.
वो तो second time ने बैटिंग किया उसने. पहले बार तो sometimes like Sidhu, he reinvented himself and came back.
That's what my friend Brijesh has done.
Brijesh is there. We
No,
love
but man,
we
it's
love him.
absolutely a pleasure and honor to be here, man. I mean, it's.
We were talking about cricket. Where do you get into all this?
No, I just wanted to say this if I miss out on this.
So now I'm older.
Mama, I made it to Cyrus's show. Yeah. No, but this is what he hears, man.
What?
Oh, we were talking about cricket. We can go back.
Okay, let's go back to cricket. Then we get back to your life also.
Yeah.
By the way, we have to talk about you, huh?
Yeah,
From time to time.
it's okay. We can
Dal do it. Take a single in between
Chalega,
to
chalega.
change the topic. Vaibhav Suryavanshi,
Yeah, man.
15-year-old. Who would think we are the Tendulkar era? Okay,
Yeah,
we grew up with
absolutely.
Tendulkar, 16-year-old phenomenon, 1989 in
Yep,
Pakistan.
yep,
Waqar Yunus at his fastest.
yep.
The wickets were not bad. They were bowling friendly wickets in spite of being subcontinent. All that. And there's going to be a guy who'll make a debut less than 16.
It is not right. This is not
It's
right
scary.
what's happening on the
The
cricket field.
foreign coaches are all scared now. They're saying
Yeah.
I think what Trevor Penny said, "Ki boss, I've never seen any talent like this in 45 years."
But is it only talent, Sai? Was this the only context? I mean, there needs to be something else where the ball is flying out of the boundary like the way it is doing right now.
No, that's
What
another
is it?
story. That's another story. Okay, white ball is killed cricket to some extent. That's why red ball cricket has not been doing that. We are losing at home, bro.
True that.
We're not able to play spin.
True that.
Now
true
they're
that.
only playing white ball. It doesn't do enough. Not spin, nor seam, nor swing.
Just the way the Britishers came in, colonized the entire world, and now they don't know exactly what to do with their homes. The same way, IPL, cricket, everybody knows our secrets.
Britain's problem is exactly the problem geographically is that while they colonized and then they left here, we went there.
We went there.
And now they are suffering.
And now we're beating them at their own game.
What beating? We're not leaving. They're like, boss, please, English culture ko rehna do.
I think-
English culture pe haath mat lagao.
I think that it's going to change all throughout. You're going to have Chandni Chowk over there soon enough.
I mean, that's the least of their problems. I think they're most worried about the alcohol will be banned and things like that soon. Bro, it's got a cultural shift. अपना परंपरा उनका परंपरा में फर्क है.
मेरे परंपरा में 2 कप आइस डालो.
I don't know, bro. I'm just saying, be careful. Oh, by the way, let's get back to Mantra before I forget. Your real name, we did all our research.
Shit.
तू
Yeah.
बंगाली है? दास गुप्ता?
ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे को. मेरा माँ बाप है, लेकिन मैं बंगाली के नाम पे गाली है. मेरे
हाँ.
को नहीं आता.
My question was, did you vote TMC or BJP?
Brilliant question. This is what I asked my.
Huh? What?
You have to answer me this side. Who did you vote for?
अब हिम्मत कहाँ आ गया अभी?
नहीं.
But you're a Delhi boy. You're a Delhi boy.
No, I don't vote in West Bengal, so I
Yeah,
really.
yeah.
But if I ever had a chance to even vote over there,
Yeah.
I would definitely.
He didn't
for
vote because of SIR, huh?
हमारा माँ बाप बांग्लादेश से आया था.
But
Dude, actually, my all our forefathers were from different parts of
you
the
never
world.
know. You never know.
My great grandfather shifted from Bangladesh around in 1900s.
Modern day Bangladesh, boss, at that time it was very much Bangla.
Very
So-
much Bangla, very
so
much a part of.
I think we
West
should say,
Bengal.
it's like saying that I came from Pakistan, but at that point there was no Pakistan.
That's
So
true.
it's-
That's true. But
yeah.
I've been told that we really had a huge big house somewhere. in
Everybody's
Jashore.
story when they have this refugee story now is, boss, हम लोग millionaires थे.
हाँ,
And then you look at your dad, think, boss, अभी क्या हुआ?
अभी क्या हुआ?
Yeah, 4 generations back we were gods.
हाँ,
What
but
the hell, यार?
अभी वहाँ पे मैंने सुना पोस्ट ऑफिस बना दिया है.
What do you say?
मेरा
नाम तो है ना?
बाप दादा के
नाम
घर
तो
पर
है ना?
पोस्ट ऑफिस है.
दासगुप्ता नाम है ऊपर या
मैं
नहीं?
सोच रहा हूँ अपने ही आपको चिट्ठी लिखूं ताकि मेरी चिट्ठी मेरे ही घर आए. But
So,
yeah.
and it should be addressed to Malik.
No, but yeah, but Dash Gupto. That's they call it Dash Gupto.
Dasgupta.
Can't even why I don't know why is it an O and everything?
No,
Will
that's
Cyrus be
Shoiros. Shoiros.
You already have a brochure.
Yeah. But my big problem with see, I have a lot of Bengali friends. My manager Kaustubh is Bengali, so Bengali, I'm filled with Bengali. Whenever you go to Kerala, my big problem is that if you want to abuse, you go with per or fur. Because you'd want to make an impression.
Fuck you.
Yeah, you say, you know, I mean, there's Park Street. For example, Park Street is not, it's how you say what you spell. I'm
Gandhi
not,
fast dena.
what is Park Street? And how do you say mother? You know, I mean, that's a whole different.
Then they're very innovative when it comes to Gali Guloch and all that. And I didn't even know that one of my
I've gone to Salt Lake and I've gone to Eden Gardens. Huh? I've seen the Bengali at his best.
Yeah. I mean, it is cool, but and I hope it's going to be cooler. But I didn't even know that there is a Gali. One of my friends, Shada Bashmi, comes and says, "Hi, Bichi." I'm like, Bichi, is it like some different version
Scorpion.
of bitch or whatever this thing?
Right.
It's supposedly balls.
Bichi.
I know what the fuck. Bengalis are crazy.
Any Bengali watching, please clarify. I think because Mr. Dasgupta was born and raised in Delhi.
I have no idea.
कभी वो transfer of gene हो जाते उसमें.
Delhi's Bengal belt is CR Park, Chittaranjan Park.
Correct.
That's where I lived for the longest period of time while I was doing radio over there. Right next to it is Kalkaji. So a lot of Punjabis over there. So you would see the Bengalis and the Punjabis come out together in the evening. The Punjabi boys would always take the Bengali girls. But the Bengali boys never got the Punjabi girls. So there was always a disparity over there. So there is a problem happening. The Punjabi boys are taking away the Bengali girls, but the Bengali boys are not.
But only one voice you'll hear. The angry Bengali.
The angry Bengali.
What are you doing? Why Rima has gone with him?
Can you imagine the cross culture of Oi ki korche re ki? Ami tor buda pada debo. That would be a cross cultural madness over there. I actually.
Can you do a little Punjabi guy and a Bengali guy?
That Punjabi guy is speaking in Bengali.
Yeah, whatever. However they communicate.
আমি কি বলছি তোমাকে আমি বলেছি যে তোমার গুড়ে পাড়া দেবো এই জয় মা কলকাতা আসবে কি আসবে না
That is very Indian thing, no? Come to my turf.
Yeah,
Come to my turf is always like
But Cal is cool. I actually went with
I
my
love
mother.
Cal.
I went with my mother once to मैं उनके साथ घूम रहा था and some AC market or somewhere over there and she
बचपन की बात है या now?
बचपन की बात है and she said that we have to go to our tailors. I need to get a dress made and all that. I enter and I see a beautiful white bearded Sardar. Like almost like a saintly figure, and I see Guru Nanak's photographs and everything. I said, I felt at home. I said, great, I'm
You're back in Delhi.
back in Delhi, and I'm looking. Suddenly he's speaking
Bengali.
the most fluent and the most beautiful Bengali, and I'm like, this is just
This is a good
weird.
India. This is a good sign for India when you see that.
Yeah, but the Marwaris run that city.
Like you speak Hindi like a Delhiite, so no one will know you're Bengali.
Yeah, that's
When you
true.
come here, you will think another buddy.
That's true.
All our regional parties are saying,
Uh,
एक और आ गया north से. You know?
If you want, हम आपके साथ बाकी का इंटरव्यू एकदम बागाली की तरह कर सकते हैं.
Please do for 5 minutes at
That's
least.
right, that's
No, उसके बाद we'll get letters. Not letters of support, letters of irritation.
कि मंत्रा छोड़ो ममता और मंत्रा दोनों को निकालो.
Oh, You got 5 years. Do what you want. You think they'll come back?
Oh, but
What
Calcutta
about
is always West Bengal.
Cockroach Janata Party का क्या होगा?
Oh, dude, this
22
is
million plus.
22 million,
Oh.
but this is what democracy does. You know this
Matlab?
thing. So
They were
democracy.
just trying to be funny.
Tomorrow you can be the president
You
of this
think?
country.
President isn't like a nominee. I'm saying Prime Minister.
You can. You totally can.
You-
This is one of those changing Indias where everything is possible.
दारू पिया?
Nahin. But it is very much possible. Boss, Ukraine ka president, prime minister kaun
You're
hai?
comedian. Oh, Punjab?
Yeah, there you go.
Such में, yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Uh,
But
uh.
so it is very much possible if you have the right opinions and if you really need the country to do well and if you feel well for them.
No, I'm saying like ये TVK का imagine Tamil Nadu में I don't think anyone would have imagined कि DMK, IDMK can be toppled ever.
Absolutely.
And that too by an absolutely new party which
Yeah,
comes out of
yeah,
nowhere,
yeah,
blah, blah,
yeah,
blah, blah.
yeah.
And did it?
Yeah, so even West Bengal, it's always seen that. We never
West Bengal
thought,
also nobody
we
thought
never
TMC
thought
will.
that the communist parties or the TMC or any
That's true. Never thought left will
ever
go.
move over. I remember the time with my uncle, I went to Buddhadev Dashgupta's
Yeah.
Buddhadev's office.
1 second, इतना connected है?
No, we went to the office for a book launch. So we are booksellers from Calcutta. We are.
The CM invited you to his office.
My uncle went with a book to get as a
But if
book
I
launch.
go to Varsha with my book, I won't even get past the first guy.
No, that's true. But the Dasgupta bookstore in Calcutta at College Street is supposedly.
Dasgupta bookstore.
Yeah, it is.
I tell you.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, boy, very famous family. You bastard.
No, गुटका थूक के बात करो.
Remember, half Punjabi, half Bengali. It's a
Yeah,
whole
the half Punjabi,
the
half
hybrid
Bengali.
is very important.
Imagine a Parsi Bengali.
There are the Parsi club, a small community, but very all speak Bengali and all. Yeah.
No, but the Dasgupta bookstore is a heritage property by the West Bengal government, given by the West Bengal government. It's been around for around 150 years. All the CMs, everybody studied, picked up books from my great-grandfather, my grandfather. So there are a lot
What are
of
you saying?
respected place.
So,
And
like,
I end up going over there every time I go to Calcutta, meet my cousins, they all look around me. सब लाइन से खड़े होते हैं मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर केमिकल इंजीनियर साइंटिस्ट someone's working for Bhabha, somebody's working for the Delhi University, somebody's in NASA or wherever, and they look at me, तुम्ही की करो?
and what do you say?
I said, I'm an actor back home and I do this and do that.
So you
And
go
they
up or down in their eyes.
So exactly. So anywhere else I'll say that I'm an actor, they'll be like, hey, wow. And whenever I say this, they all look at each other. होता है.
He doesn't
एक
look
आध
like
ऐसा निकल आता है खानदान में. It is okay.
everyone is not Prosanji.
So then they put me in a corner, but that's what it is, man, and that's how it goes.
Yeah. Wow, very connected, man. I didn't know all this, sir.
not
Dasgupta
connected.
name is a big name. If chief ministers, you can just walk in, and you're saying not before Jyoti Basu and whoever else was before that as well.
No, everyone.
But now President Suvendu Adhikari will call you.
I wouldn't know. I'll have to ask my uncle if they are any.
Not supposed to be such a voracious reader, from what I gather. इसमें हंसने की बात नहीं है.
Every Bengali is a reader. It's somehow supposedly
true.
it's just fits in.
You can
and
take
that is
anything from the Bengali, you cannot take the words.
Yeah, that
words
is-
are theirs.
Words.
Yeah.
And words are all I have. Take your heart away or take your vote away. But yeah, man, I think it's a good flow. But I am one of those Bengalis they are called Probashis. The
Okay.
Bengalis who are not born and brought up in Calcutta.
Okay.
Pravasi. They're
Yeah,
from the
yeah.
outside world. And I clearly don't even fit in. I'm the white sheep of the family.
But don't they look at you with love as the white sheep of the family coming?
My sister.
In a way,
always-
because a lot of
they
people.
do. They give me a lot of love, but clearly
You're from the
they-
glamour part of India in a sense.
Yeah,
And all.
they are the aspirational figures as far as we Bengalis are concerned. कि यार पढ़ाई कितना किया है?
Good point.
Yeah.
That's just a traditional middle class Indian mentality.
Yeah,
And why should that go away? If you haven't studied, fuck off.
Yeah, man, I mean-
Sir, मेरे पास ये है वो है ये dialogue Shashi Kapoor's dialogue. We do
Yeah.
that all the time.
Or then you could be a 15-year-old
or-
cricketer who is taking away the world. by
Instead of
storm.
तेरे पास क्या है, you have to ask the question कि education कितना तक?
हाँ.
That's the question.
हमारा पास डिग्री है.
By the way, where did you study?
I studied in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. You called me from Delhi, but I was in Delhi for a couple of years when I did radio.
Huh.
But
So you're an Indore guy.
yeah, in Indore. My mom and my dad, they fucking eloped.
What?
And they've settled
Why
down
did they
in
elope?
Indore. Oh, well, love marriages back then were a little different. So
Where were they? Cal.
they were in Calcutta. Quintessential Bengali couple met each other.
But why
in
did they have
Park
to elope?
Street.
The parents didn't like it?
Yeah, some sort of flop happened over there at that point of time.
And not Can I ask who the travel agent was? अगर मैं कोलकाता में मैं इंदौर कैसा? I mean, just
जिधर नौकरी मिला.
पटना जाओ ना. You
I
don't
know,
have to
I
go
know,
all the way
I know, I know.
to-
But my father got a job in Indore, and luckily, luckily, or I don't know, but
Hmm.
what. But I was born in Indore, which is a Hindi heartland, and I studied and I did all my graduation, everything in Hindi.
Wow.
So मैं शुद्ध हिंदी में वार्तालाप करने में जो स्नेह
आप
की
सेक्सुअल बात
अनुभूति
कर
है,
सकते हिंदी में?
बिल्कुल.
Describe a orgasm in
मैं
Hindi.
आपके नेत्र चोदन कर रहा हूँ इस वक्त.
बहुत बढ़िया सर. I like it. I'm enjoying it.
संभोग से समाधि की ओर.
वो तो मैं समझ में आता है. हाँ. संन्यास yes, संभोग no.
So yeah, no, but Hindi became a part, and that's why one of those Bengalis who can speak clear Hindi, which is a rarity.
Yeah.
Because you can't go to Calcutta and speak in Hindi.
No, but what I like is the confidence of the Bengali. I feel Bengali myself now because without the knowledge to have the confidence is a beautiful thing.
Yeah.
So you no hesitation to switch to Hindi, and then one gender is enough. We don't have to worry. We'll stay with one gender.
बिकेल को मिलेगा तो बिकेल शाम को बिकेल बोलता है. बिकेल को मिलेगा तो साथ लूची खाएगा.
After Mamta lost one of the Bengali journalists, who was obviously the journalist who's posted there and from the local population, I think it was NDTV, actually saying, Mamta, he's not ready to vacate.
With confidence.
With confidence and without any anger. There's not like trying to be insulting or something.
There is a
gender ki issue hai.
There's a film Namesake.
Yeah.
In Namesake there was a track.
Chumpalai.
Yes, and there was a track for Bengalis. They said, "Amra reformed Hindus, Amader bhasha into quaint as you see, Enoi ki English ki Bengali, English or Bangalir খিচুড়ি বানিয়ে কনভারসেশনের ইউজ কিন্তু একটাই ঠিক করে বলতে পারি তো you are an awful goose." He said he can't even actually have both the languages together. It's one of the tracks that speaks for Bengalis.
But I like this hybrid culture. What is wrong with it?
Nothing wrong ever, ma. Absolutely fine.
Bhelpuri cocktails, very important. Everything cannot be so pure.
No, not at all.
I want the word Pavitra removed for some time.
Pavitro!
It's too much.
Until unless it's a cricketer.
That's true. But what good? Then it's red ball cricket, no? If you want Pavitra cricket, it has to be red ball cricket. So coming back here.
Oh, I've heard this. I've seen this. Nowadays they do
Ye kya
this. Oh, Sai, you don't know this.
No,
Yesterday,
no.
only day before yesterday, I saw this at an event. The crowd
This is what
went.
girls used to do after I slept with them. Bro, come back. Women are cruel.
But I saw exactly. So you know this that.
Ye kya hai?
So this is happening in poetry nights when they don't want to clap, so they do this.
Yeah.
And if there's an encore, they do this.
Yeah.
Okay? But now I've seen they started doing
Bro,
this.
what is this?
I don't know. What is it?
Huh?
Clock it.
Clock it.
This is clock it. These are small claps.
Clock it का मतलब क्या है?
These are small claps.
That is okay. Small claps I understand. But clock it क्या है?
How?
Giving. Clock it. Like, it's just perfectly giving.
क्या अंग्रेजी में बात करते
See,
हैं?
Sai
देखो,
is one generation before.
नहीं
me.
ये अंग्रेजी नहीं है ये क्या?
I'm right after him,
Yeah.
but I'm also old.
Yeah. What the way she's saying it so confidently, like I feel like a duffer. What the hell is she saying? Bro, say it slowly. Yeah.
Clock it means it's just very relatable. It's just perfectly hitting the spot.
Oh, as in okay, perfect.
Perfect, yeah.
Huh?
Oh, okay.
Like spot on, superb.
Spot on.
That's
yeah.
what
Okay,
it is.
Cool.
And these are small claps.
These are small claps. So what is clock it?
Clock it is this.
What is the difference?
Two fingers.
Acha, 2 fingers.
Acha, kids.
I don't know, man. I don't know where it's
Bro,
going.
this is why the British left. They could see what the fuck Indian kids are doing. Clock it. Mountbatten, man, clocking it. Wow, these guys are crazy.
Oh, yes.
Bro, we have to talk about your life. Fuck.
Yeah, my life.
You're good. Indore is a good start.
Indore is a good start.
You were born.
Yeah.
Nobody knows this. About the real name is
Puranjit.
Puranj. Say it properly.
Okay, if you want to say it in
properly.
Bengali.
Yeah.
Puranjit.
Puranjit.
Mantrumugdho.
Mantrumugdho.
Dashgupto.
Bash Gupto.
So when I went on radio for the first
Thank
time.
God, mantra.
Thank God. Thank God to my boss who went
And
ahead.
Darknam?
Oh, Darknam, you know.
I
this.
want to know.
Yeah, Darknam. Bengalis have the
Oh, the
funniest
best.
Darknam.
The best cocktail conversation is if you find a Bengali. say, what is
Bengalis
the
and their
Darknam?
Darknam. I didn't get a very,
No,
very
no.
quintessential Bengali Darknam.
No.
I got a North Indian Darknam called
No.
I know. I'm very upset about
You got
this
like a wiki or
thing.
something?
Bittu.
Bittu!
It doesn't work.
Pooh.
Absolutely too. But imagine, all my sisters and brothers, can you imagine? Big name. Raja Rishi Dashgupta, Shapta Rishi, Luchu and Buchu.
That's what I want.
Nandini Dashgupta, Tumpa.
Lovely.
Gargi Dashgupta, Bulti.
Beautiful. तो तू बिट्टू कहाँ से आ गया?
वही यार.
You're like the Punjabi neighbor who was in the middle of the whole
So
one night.
imagine, no. Imagine, no, that's why my father named me Puranjit Dasgupta.
Yeah.
There is no Puranjit
that's
in
true.
Bengali.
That's true. That
There
sounds
is a
North Indian.
Prashanjit
Yeah.
or
The famous actor.
or in Punjabis there is Paramjit.
Yeah.
I'm somewhere fucking in the middle, like a Puranjit.
Puranjit doesn't sound Bengali.
Not at all.
Indrajit is.
Not at all. And that's when I went on radio for the first time, my
So
boss,
where's the word from?
Puranjit?
What does it mean? Like old
The Puranjit is
honor.
a perfect victory.
old victory.
I don't know. Perfect.
Ah,
victory.
acha. Perfect victory.
Perfect victory. Also like my eyes.
Small claps.
I love it how you did it here.
Yeah. Well,
No, but-
no one else will do it. So.
Yeah, man. Somebody had to do
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
No, but and when I
And
went,
I'm having to get used to this if I do stand up, no?
yeah,
And there's a claps I'm going to get.
And that's all. But crazy now. I don't know what they'll come up with next.
But what fun. I hope you write a book about your life.
I someday I will.
So what was your dad thinking? Have you ever had a candid conversation with dad?
Yeah,
सोच क्या है इसमें?
ये क्या सोच
Because
के
the other
रखा?
names like Nandini and all, and then where did this
I
name
don't
come
know,
from?
man. I don't know. It just went into.
Are you the
some-
firstborn?
I was the firstborn for my in my.
So that
for
time
my-
he's on another level
Yeah.
mentally. You know?
Oh, it was a
Very
victory.
calm secondborn. Huh?
Oh yeah, it was a victory. It was the perfect
The-
victory. So
yeah.
he got a boy in this
Yeah.
new generation.
Hmm.
But the best part was when I went on radio for the first time, somewhere around 2099, 2000. My boss came up and said, "RJ Puranjit, ऐसा लगेगा कि अभी ऑल इंडिया रेडियो पे कोई समाचार पढ़ने
Fair
आ रहा है."
point. Fair point.
नमस्कार, मैं पुरंजीत और आज के समाचार. So that's where it went.
Fair point. So
into
where did the
RJ
name
Mantra.
come from?
Puranjit?
No, the mantra.
Mantra? Okay.
Like who decided?
This is gonna be. I don't know where you're gonna take this, but Mantra Mugd is my sannyas naam. I kind of went to the Osho ashram at a very early age, and yes, I know this would. I need one drink.
Sabka do peg.
So
This is with the parents' blessings.
I don't think they even figured out what I was doing.
You were a young adult and you went to Osho ashram in
and
Pune.
I started reading at
You
a
did
very
the
early-
HIV test and all that.
Pune didn't happen. Pune happened many
तो
years
कहाँ पे
later.
गया तू?
This was
Your
Jabalpur.
uncle Rajneesh.
Nah, Jabalpur.
Beta,
which is-
come sit on my lap. What's going on?
and
Yeah.
suddenly you rise.
Yeah.
No, it's very funny because I went to Jabalpur, which is the hometown of Osho.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's Madhya Pradesh.
Yeah.
He was born in Jabalpur, Gadarwada, Kuchwada.
Oh,
That's
wow.
the name of the place. And I picked up a book at a very early age, and it kind of freaked me out. I said, "What the hell is happening? Is this all a Matrix kind of shit?" And I went to the ashram, and they kind of really liked my personality, and they said,
Was it like the Pune ashram?
No, it was very quaint. Nothing like Pune. Pune is the resort. Pune is.
But
where
you know
all
what I'm
the-
asking now.
Yeah,
Was
no,
the
no, there was
interaction between the species
No
allowed and all?
orgies. I never
Hey,
done.
Cho, तू क्यों गया तू? The only guy went to Rajneesh ashram where there was no sex. He still went. So what was his idea? He actually thought the spiritual part is the important part.
Exactly. At the end of the day, I thought so. After many years, I realized, oh, ये सब भी होता है. No, but so it happened.
So you went. They had discourses and all.
Yeah, discourses, conversations.
And
I used to listen to his tapes. These were the days of cassettes.
So like
before
all
CDs
typical
even.
comedians, he started out as a philosopher and then realized that life sucks. Okay.
Yeah, I think there was the same with Osho also. He was a stand-up
Yeah.
comedian.
It was great. I love
Yeah.
his
Great orator, great
tapes.
conversationalist,
Yeah.
and tapes. You should listen to
Yeah.
this. So they give you a job.
Yeah.
Like you got to volunteer in the ashram to do something. So they said, what can you do? I said, I can do sound engineering because I knew a little bit of sound and stuff like that. He said, take these cassettes, download them on the system, and then burn them into CDs because that's how you're going to preserve them. I said, great. So I took the cassettes, and this is real-time recording. All the technical people would know that.
कोई technical नहीं है. ये सब vendors हैं who come in the ashram to sit because we don't have money and then they just enjoy
Okay,
the
cool.
AC. Huh.
So cassette डालो तो spool player की तरह it takes, if it's a 1.5 hour tape, it'll take 1.5 hour to record.
Tape, for those who are very young like Akanksha, tape is like a, how to explain it, I mean, you guys doing this, no? There was this.
Yeah. So 1.5 hour of thing happened and I had to burn it on a CD. But then I saw on the system, there were talks and then there was silence. And there were talks and there was silence.
What do you mean by silence? No conversation.
Because that's how he speaks. If you ever hear him, he would speak.
There would be a break. अच्छा,
And then
वाक्य के बीच में while speaking,
while speaking,
after speaking,
pauses. Basically,
अच्छा,
a lot of pauses.
He has a slow style. Yeah, I
yeah,
get that.
yeah.
I get that. Yeah.
So I saw that and I said, hey.
Can you do his knuckle?
No, that's the only man who I
Out of respect, you won't do
out,
it.
Left out.
So
listen
you
to
can do it.
I can, of course. I
So,
can do a lot.
For those who feel that Bhagwan Rajneesh is no more, it's not true. Sir.
But listen to this. Listen to
Can
this.
you do that thing on fuck?
The puck.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
I will do it for you for,
No, yeah,
for
yeah.
the new age Sadhguru also. I'm a big fan of Sadhguru also. Have you?
I want him on the thing. He's a bike lover.
Well, you will need to have him.
Yeah.
He would be over here and tell you, Cyrus,
Yeah.
you come and bike on me.
We got close to getting him.
Oh yeah, he's cool. He's cool.
We reached somewhere along the thing.
Yeah. I would love to hear a conversation
I
between
was-
Sadhguru and Cyrus Brocha.
We'll
That
have a
would
great
be
conversation,
it, man.
Baba. He was at Nepal. I used to do this ad anchoring for Nepal ad, whatever it's called. For 3 years I did it. He was there as a guest, but he lost at golf that day. And apparently got very angry.
Ah, he is. Yeah,
He takes his golf very seriously.
Very
So he didn't come. He came late because he
yeah.
went into a tizzy and all that.
Yeah,
Golf
yeah.
and bikes. This is my guy, yeah.
He's on.
So you can be a preacher, but you're like a human being, you know.
And he's 2026. He's
Yeah,
as much of
yeah,
this
yeah, yeah,
generation as Osho was of his own generation.
And I don't know why people want to, anyone who likes discourse and conversation and arguments, going back to, the old philosophers having it. I mean, so much fun,
absolutely.
yeah.
They were Sophiites, like
Yeah.
back then from the days
Absolutely,
of
yeah.
age of Socrates,
Yeah.
Aristotle, and everybody.
Yeah.
Come, sit
There
together,
and let's debate.
and
Yeah.
we will switch.
Yeah.
You speak for, I
And-
against,
and then we can
after
switch.
half an hour, let's
Fabulous.
switch. This was the mental exercise.
Fabulous.
This was absolutely
Yeah.
the exercise.
My wife does that. She switches. Having said one thing, she changes the other side also, but very quickly. And then, but it
You
doesn't.
don't even get to know.
No, I do small claps. मेरे का और क्या तरीका? I mean, I don't know a better way to.
She's a
handle it.
Socrates of the. I love the episode with you both.
She doesn't have the beard, but they are saying 5 more years. Huh. She doesn't watch. It's okay. Unless someone shows her the link, then I'll come and stay with you in your ashram
both of
in
you.
Jabalpur. You, me, and the tape recorder. अभी silence है ना, ठीक है.
So listen, no.
हाँ, tell.
उसका टेप में से बीच में जो silences था, मैं थोड़ा ज्यादा शाना बना. मैंने वो silences काट दिया. मैंने silences काट दिया ये सोचते हुए कि सीडी थोड़ी सी टाइट बनेगी.
You edited?
So one and a
You
half-
edited a god?
So 1.5 hours of conversation turned out to be 45 minutes, and I was very happy. And I gave it to the people.
It
who
won't
were
match
having-
the speaking
So
style
guess what?
because
He
it's
turns
slow
around
and
and
it's going fast.
And then suddenly Osho sounded like Eminem. So that was the.
Man, I
crazy.
would love to hear this
Yeah,
edit. Because I remember he's got that drawl, that
that
slow
draw.
style.
Suddenly.
And you match the sentences, so without the pause, it sounds weird. Yeah?
Suddenly Osho is in his own.
How is it disrespectful? Amitabh Bachchan का
No,
नकल भी
not
करता
at
है,
all.
धोनी का नकल भी करता है, सबका
For
नकल
some
करता है.
strange reasons, I could never pick him up.
Oh,
Whereas I've
you're saying
heard-
you're not comfortable doing the knuckle.
Yeah, and
As
no,
in
I could
ability.
not pick him up. I can mimic everybody under the sun, as far
Really?
as people who I knew. But for some reason, why the man who I've heard the most,
Yeah.
who
You edited?
I edited,
You not
myself.
edited the other stars? जैसा है, वैसा है.
Imagine, I don't know. But anyway, yeah. So that
हाँ,
was
so
fun.
quickly, we have to take a break.
You have to take a break.
So we won't finish your life story this time. You'll come back next
Okay,
time.
great, wonderful.
We'll take a break. We'll come back.
I'm not the problem on this podcast.
Welcome to Cinefy,
Cinefy.
where we talk about all things cinema.
Vivek was doing a very good job at that time and not Masti 4.
In the start,
Yes.
Shahid Kapoor's wearing a condom
Yes.
on his head
Yes.
and then finds out that Priyanka Chopra is pregnant.
He's so harami, yaar.
Please don't use that as a verb.
Beedi chalai le.
That's the best song in the world.
It's the best song in the world.
But wake ups that people don't like.
What? Are you mad? You have no taste. Who are we?
We are Shrimi and Karan.
I am popular on Instagram.
I'm also popular on
No.
Twitter.
Farooq, if you're seeing this, call me.
Let's get back to life. So born in Indore,
Yeah.
Hindi medium, so hence Hindi is fantastic. But then you went to Jabalpur as a young man. This was just out
This
of
is just-
spiritual salvation.
Yeah, kind of thing. And it continues
Some
to,
girl left you.
Nah, just continues to be that thing. I think it's an inherent
Oh,
quality.
you're still into your
Yeah, I'm
Osho.
this is it. There is nothing special. I don't need
It also
to go to
doesn't contradict anything else because it's just a philosophy, sort of
yeah,
an
it's-
open,
it-
transparent philosophy.
and absolutely my window to the rest of the world's philosophy. So
Hmm.
everything I know about Gurdjieff or Socrates or the Zen philosophy, I got it through him. So I enjoy it. I'm a seeker.
You left out Jinping, modern
Yeah,
philosopher.
sure, he is. But the most interesting part, you should hear this thing.
Huh.
Okay, the spiritual part I like and all that. I started on my career before radio in hospitality industry. I was at the Taj.
Where did you study? Like, what did you study? You
yeah,
studied
so that-
hotel
a lot of
management.
things happened together.
Jaldi bolna nikla.
So yeah, I didn't study hotel management. I finished my school. I went into Taj Residency Indore.
You just got a job.
And this was it's called internship, apprenticeship. in
Not
fact,
bad. So
apprenticeship.
somebody made a phone call and you got into Taj
Nah,
apprenticeship.
guess what? Whose recommendation I went with?
Who?
Panwala. I was in Indore.
I was going to go Ratan Tata.
Ah.
I was so off.
So Indore
so
is a small
Panwala,
city.
as in
Taj Hotel. There was a pan wala in front. I needed
Like a
job.
literal pan wala.
Pan ki dukaan wala.
Huh.
And I needed a job. I needed to get to work.
You went to the pan wala as your LinkedIn.
Yeah, well said, well said. उस time का LinkedIn pan की दुकान हुआ
You
करता था.
spoiled generation, you fucking spoiled generation.
So I went to him and I needed a job.
Huh.
And in those days, there used to be these STD PCOs.
Of
small
course.
little STD PCOs. So I just went up to him and said, he had a lot of galas, like a lot of these little shops. I said, Radha bhaiya, किसी भी दुकान पे बिठवा दो. I need some money.
You were willing to sit on the shop.
I said $500 a month and it will be fine for me because I needed to get to work. And he said, अरे तू ये सब छोड़ना, तू ये होटल में जा, वहाँ पे मैं पान डिलीवर करता है, उनको जाके बोलना राधे भैया ने भेजा है.
But to who?
To the HR manager, to somebody down there. He said,
He gave you a name?
Hi, he said, there is Rathore Saab and Mr. G.D. Rathore. I still remember him, give him a lot of love. He was the HR manager of Taj Residency Indore and I went down there.
So let me just
young
understand,
kid.
let me just understand this situation. GD Rathore के सामने मेज पे 10-15 फाइल्स है.
हाँ.
उसमें MBA, double MBA, होटल मैनेजमेंट,
Absolutely.
केटरिंग, इंग्लैंड एडुकेटेड, जर्मनी
Absolutely.
एडुकेटेड, वो सब है.
सब है.
और एक पान वाला का पहचान.
Pan wala ka pehchan.
And then you walk in.
And I walk in over there and I say, and this young boy, and he looks at me and clearly says that, how old are you? And I kind of, at that point of time, I fudged it a little bit and I said that, sir, I finished my 12th and my certificate se dekha, I just need a job. Whatever work there is. He said, okay, come back after 15 days. I'll see what we can do and write an application. So I wrote like a school application too. The manager, subject, everything. And I gave it to him. 15 days later, he calls me and says that apprenticeship, you're going to be in the back office and you will just clean the glasses or do the back office work. And I said, it'll be wonderful. I'll be very happy to do that. $1,500
You
a
had
month.
trainee written?
Yeah, trainee written. And I was so happy. But that was the beginning of it all. And one day when you know what happens in the back office of the hotel, if there is a big party, like banquet party, like 1,500 people, all hands on deck. So everybody was...
You have to work in front now.
So now suddenly my manager comes in. It's almost like imagine like a battlefield and a manager comes in and says, you walk over there. And he looks at me. What are you doing sitting over there? We need boys inside. Quick, quick. I said, me? You mean you want me to serve?
Catering time.
Yeah, you want me to serve? He said, yeah, get yourself a bow quickly. Wow. And for the first time, I walked into the banquet and I felt AC. And I said, this is heaven. And I served over there जैसे मेरी बेटी की शादी है. मैं सबको ऐसा खिलाया पिलाया सब प्लीज खाइए सर मना मत.
सच बताओ, did you also eat?
Of course. And that's what pulled me to the restaurant because somebody noticed me and said that this boy should be at the restaurant, and I started serving.
So basically, what you're saying is being young and personable is the most important thing.
And I was
because you make an impression, and then someone says this guy is good.
And then from the restaurant, when I was doing well, the front office noticed me and it said that we need a boy in our
personality. It's all personality.
We need a boy at the reception. Come and stand over here. So I became a bellboy. And I used to pick up people's luggage to go to the... And for the first time... when I got a 10 rupee tip, I said, pata nahi, main usko 5 rupees do wapas de diye.
Wow.
Thinking ki maybe he's asking for change.
You thought you were a bank.
Yeah, I didn't know why is he giving me money. And when I came down, I said, this is great. So he said, yeah, that's what happens.
But be careful. Sometimes they give you money and then they go like... So...
Oh, that's happened a lot, Sai. That's a different podcast.
Baman is so... See, your story is a bit similar to Baman's, huh? Baman also worked in
all
Taj.
My experiences have been at Taj, Sai.
Yeah. So he had the same
I lost
stories.
my virginity there. I did everything. I experienced everything at the hotel.
Tell us.
Yeah.
So room service?
No, I mean bellboy.
नहीं,
They used to say 3 minutes is up. 3 minutes. सिर्फ 3 minutes है तुम्हारे पास. From the reception to the guest room.
Delivery, हाँ.
उसके अंदर जो तुम impression बना लोगे उसके बेसिस पे टिप्स मिलने वाली है. And then you had to judge people. ये 50 rupees वाला है, ये 100 रुपए वाला है, ये नहीं देगा.
Reverse रंदीगिरी.
Yeah. That's what happens. So, and foreigner अगर आ गया तो पास ये तो है फिर
they would tip more?
They would tip more and all that. So starting from picking up the luggage. Good afternoon, Mr. Brocha. How are you doing today? What brings you to Indore,
They put pressure on us when we go to hotels. They're so nice and I have no money.
Yeah, that's true.
You would have hated me here. But I do acting.
Sai, I have served you.
What?
Yes. And I won't take it back that way, but...
Where?
You've been to
No, you're just लगाएंगे. I've been to Indore.
Yeah, of course.
But
you stayed there.
Not when you were that young.
Listen. So you go to the room, and by the time you reach there, what brings you over here? And in the end, can I get you something else, sir? Would you need anything else? And then you just look at them.
This is the guy you lost your virginity to?
No. The guy? Why would I lose my virginity?
I don't know what your the 30 stories are. मेरे को वो story चाहिए please.
Oh yeah.
Short version.
Okay, short version. Oh fuck. Okay, listen to this. It was a New Year's Eve, and रात को party हो गया. We had a banquet, a lot of people partying, and at around 1:30, 2 o'clock, you know the condition people are in.
Hmm.
Walking back to their room, sloshed and all
Mhm.
that. I had to drop. I was on the night shift at that day. I had to enter. I had to go to one of the rooms to drop something. And while I was coming back, one of the doors were open, and all I could hear was weird sounds from there. And I felt, I said, "What is happening inside this room?"
Hmm.
So I opened the door. The keys were down there somewhere.
Hmm.
गिरा हुआ था. So I picked up the keys, and by the time I put up, वहाँ पे slot में लगाने के लिए गया, a hand came, and there was this lady. I don't know who.
She pulled you in.
And I don't know, and she's like, and I don't know whether she thought I was somebody else. I
But
don't
you were
know
wearing a
what.
uniform, no?
I was wearing, but it was dark. The keys were down there.
Huh.
I didn't lose my virginity then,
Huh.
but it was a crazy experience, and I wanted to share that with
Huh.
you. And she's like, and I'm
Indian
like,
girl or foreign girl?
listen to this. The next morning, during I was there for a few minutes
Huh.
only, and
Huh.
of course I didn't stay back, and I didn't know what the fuck.
But
I
what
was
would
doing.
you
I was
do?
too young. I was
Yeah,
very,
and
very
what
young.
you don't want to insult them either, no? You can't
Yeah,
just run out.
like, ma'am, how can I serve
Yeah.
you? That kind of thing not happening. But I remember those around 5-6 rooms were all booked by a so-called group of friends. So there were a lot of couples.
Hmm.
It was one of the rooms. Next morning, around 12 o'clock, when the checkouts were happening, I was there. And I
Adultery.
was scanning every one of them, that which one of them was it? And I have no idea.
But didn't they look at you?
But she wouldn't know. She was lost and drunk. I didn't know because it was too dark. So these kind of experiences happen, bro.
Is there a young child, 16, 17 years old now, who came out of that? Who,
No,
who
we
works in
didn't.
the pawn shop outside?
We didn't go all the way, but some crazy experiences like this.
Wow.
And yes, the time when you would knock on the door and open the door, and then suddenly you see a man standing there without not wearing anything, and you're just there to deliver an envelope,
Huh.
and he's just standing over there. So crazy.
Why is he
experience.
naked?
Strange. Hotel rooms show you the weirdest experiences, man. They show you the weirdest.
So he doesn't want to have
Nothing. He's just standing.
He's
there
just an
naked.
exhibitionist.
Yeah.
He's just standing
Yeah,
naked.
yeah. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Crazy experiences. But I've served the Indian cricket team.
Yeah.
I've served
Which team?
Australian cricket team. India and Australia had come to play in
90s?
India 99, 2000.
Okay.
And oh my God, the experience.
Saurav's team.
Saurav's team.
Yeah.
Steve
Steve Waugh,
Steve
correct.
Waugh was there. And I still remember going up to. So what happened at the end of the match was
Michael Bevan and all those guys
yes,
playing
yes,
one day. Yeah.
Darren Lehman.
Yeah.
Darren Lehman was very rude to people.
Really?
In the lobby.
He's famously used a racist slur to Sri Lankan
a
cricketers.
lot of
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
So Indore, the entire city came along
Hmm.
and was standing at the lobby waiting for one side
stars,
of the visual. So none of the cricketers decided to come down. They said that we're going to stay in the room. The next morning we just sit in the bus and leave. So one of those extras, everybody takes maybe phone calls, कुछ laundry, थोड़ा extra कुछ order किया, तो सबके bills पे sign चाहिए थे. I was given the job to go up to the rooms and get the signatures done. So I went up to everybody. Sachin Tendulkar was there.
Full clothes?
Yes. Well, so I still remember I knocked on Sachin Tendulkar's room and he opened the door. By the way, that's another experience. While the Indian cricket team was staying over there, that's where my mimicry and my impersonation started. A lot of phone calls started to come. Ki, we want to speak to Sachin.
So you would do it for him?
Random people would call up and say, and political parties from Indore.
Wow.
They said, ki, phone transfer karo. And manager would turn around and say that, sorry sir, we cannot. Arey, phone transfer karo. वो लोग तो कल चले जाएंगे. तुम लोग को रहना है ना? चल phone transfer कर. So manager could not do it because you can't transfer the phone call to Sachin Tendulkar's
So you have to
room.
be those guys.
So they looked at me and said, boy, take it over. And I sat on a table just going, hello? Yes, I'm sorry I cannot give you any tickets. I'm sorry we are here only for 2 days. I cannot meet anyone.
But what
yeah,
did you do Steve Waugh also?
So this was happening till the moment they started speaking in Marathi. And I'm like, Mala mahit nahi. And I would keep the phone down and all that. Steve Waugh and Sachin Tendulkar, quick experiences I'll share with you. I went to Sachin Tendulkar's room, knock. He comes out and I said, sir, your signature.
You could run Ganguly because Ganguly you can break into Bengali also.
Yeah. So Sachin Tendulkar came, I said signature, and I said, these were the days of the
full cam.
The full reel wala camera, not mobiles and stuff like that. So I said, sir, one picture. And he says, yeah, sure, okay. And he goes to Rahul Dravid's room, which is right next, and he goes there, knocks and says, come on, quick. And I stand. So one of the maintenance guys, Nasir, I still remember his name, he was passing by again. किसी cricketer को देखने के लिए he was just doing
Suddenly
random
extra work.
rounds.
Yeah.
I said, Nasir, jaldi photo खींच and all that. And I stand with Sachin Tendulkar, and Nasir says, "Mera." Nasir खड़ा हुआ. I'm like, okay. उतनी देर में Sachin Tendulkar goes inside. Now those were the days of not instant photographs, no.
Right.
So we had to wait. Camera bheja reel dhone ke liye. The photographs came back. Nasir and Sachin Tendulkar, perfect picture. My picture, Sachin Tendulkar's full. I am till here. Nasir in full excitement.
Idiot, Nasir. And he was the captain of England.
No, he was an electrician.
Same time, actually.
Yeah, same time.
Yeah.
But then I had to go around showing people that Sachin and Tendulkar me, and he's like, "Tu kaha hai?" I said, "Naam padna."
ये देख गर्दन देख.
नहीं नाम देखना नाम. So I would show them. They think नाम पढ़ मेरा नाम लिखा हुआ है यहाँ
Sad.
पे.
You still have it?
Yeah, I still have it.
Oh, I wish
I was
you-
a very serious cricketer.
Can you send it to us? There's like
I'll try to
just on the phone, send a picture,
I'll
no?
try
We
to
played.
look for it.
It'll be
I'll
so
try to
funny, no? To
yeah.
actually see that. Wow.
Steve Waugh, I went up to
This,
his.
this has to be true. This kind of story just has
is
to be true.
This is true.
You work so hard,
Very
your
young-
dream, and then
Yeah, very young
Nasir,
Harbhajan-
Nasir.
One very young Harbhajan Singh.
Yeah.
Sunil Joshi.
Goes on to the
Yeah,
fabulous
those
series,
were the days-
Lakshman Harbhajan series, 2001.
Sunil Joshi, the
Sunil
left
Joshi,
arm.
left arm
Yeah.
all-rounder from Karnataka.
I hung around a lot
Yeah.
with them.
Did you do Steve Waugh's voice?
So Steve Waugh's voice. I went up to Steve Waugh's room again to get signatures and stuff like that. And once he's done, he was packing up, and I said, "Sir, one souvenir, sir, anything from you, sir, if it's
Yeah.
possible." And he looks at me, and one of the Aussie caps.
Give you a cap?
So listen to this. He picked up the cap to give it to me.
Huh.
The cap's Velcro got attached to his jersey's
Huh.
collar.
Huh.
So both of them went up. And by the time he realized to pull that off, I picked up both of them. I said, "Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir." So I have Steve Waugh's jersey.
He didn't make
Yeah,
it.
he looked at me, smiled. One of those practice jerseys.
He let you keep a baggy green and a jersey.
Yes, I have a baggy.
You still have that?
Yeah, I still
Oh,
have
that's
that.
fantastic,
Yeah.
bro.
Glenn McGrath. I
Mm.
mean, I was Glenn McGrath and Adam Gilchrist.
Yeah.
We had brought in and so
Who was the friendliest?
oh, you want to listen to that?
Yeah.
Jason Gillespie was making his debut at that point of time, and I was at the night shift, as I said.
He-
I remember him walking at 2:30 in the lobby. Nobody's there, and he's just walking.
But he's
around.
6'6".
Yeah, he's walking around, and I, being a very friendly guy, I look up at him and say, "What's up, man?" He said, "Hey, man, I got a match tomorrow morning, and I'm just prepping." He said, "I'm hungry." I said, "Can I get you a milkshake?" I asked the room service to get him a milkshake. Sat, spoke for half an hour.
I spent 3 weeks with Jason Gillespie.
Yeah,
Lovely
what a
guy.
guy, what a
But
guy.
Aussies are very. I don't think they understand. Now with IPL, they understand star culture.
Yeah,
But it's sort of they're stars, but it's normal.
Yeah.
You know, you can
Because the
you can say, hey
Aussie,
Ricky, what's up, and just have a conversation.
in Australia and
Yeah.
Sydney, cricket is not really looked up as much as the rugby or any other sport is.
Aussie rules. Aussie
Yeah.
rules will be 1, but cricket would be 2.
Yeah,
But I
two,
still don't
maybe.
think they get the match the way subcontinental cricketers
The way we are crazy
No,
about
I would
our
say
cricket.
Sri Lanka, Pakistan also.
Yeah,
It's just
yeah.
absolutely madness.
Yeah, true.
Like
true.
Vaibhav Suryavanshi will never get married because everybody will say, "Meri beti ko dekh." You know, it'll just go on like that for. Imagine everywhere he goes, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, everywhere he goes. Vaibhav, yeah.
Listen to another cricket story from the hotel line. Zimbabwe cricket team had come over.
Yeah.
They were playing the Board President 11.
This is Heat Streak's team. Whose
This
team?
is, yes, Heath Streak, Douglas Hondo, all these people. So
Okay.
Douglas Hondo
Yeah.
is in the room. Again, bellboy, checks him in. Friendly banter, conversation. He said, "Hey, man, I'm looking for a trimmer." His hair was growing a little bit. So he
Or
said,
was
"I'm
it for there or was it for?
I don't know. So I'm looking for a trimmer. Do you think? So I said, yeah, there is a shop right opposite somewhere. I'll get it for you. Now, this is how we also used to make a little bit of money.
Right.
You know? Somebody like 1,000 rupees ka kuch saman
And
hai,
they keep
to
the change.
800 rupees ka diya, to 200 you will keep, that sort of a thing. So I went up. I still remember one of those very light trimmers which is not meant for hard
Strong
hair,
hair, yeah.
African hair. I picked that up. थोड़ा cheap था, पैसा बड़े वाले का लिया, cheap लिया, मैं लेकर गया, and I still remember this is a scene. I go up to his room, I said, "This is it." He said, "Thanks, man." While having a conversation with me, he's like, "Yeah, so we're gonna be playing a game, and this thing or the other." He goes out,
Broke.
it fucking got stuck in his hair, and it broke. And I'm standing right over there, and he looks at me, and all I turned around and said, "Sir, paise wapas nahi honge, sir. I can't get you your money back, sir. I'm very sorry, sir." He said, "No, dude, that's all right, but it's stuck." And then I had to literally pull out that clipper from his hair. And say,
So your first romantic moment was with that lady or with Douglas Hondo? Which came first?
So one of these crazy incidents.
Oh, what
happened.
lovely stories.
Yeah, so
And
cricket,
you remember them. Yeah.
cricket, and oh wait, these were cricketers we were looking up to.
Bro,
We
I love these stories. I'll tell you why I love these stories. I think you became the guy you became because of this experience.
oh, totally.
Because
totally.
you suddenly you're thrown in the middle of nowhere. You got stars, you got important people, you
Yep,
got
yep,
strangers,
yep.
you got foreigners. You're dealing with all these people. You just had a great. You had a college.
Yeah,
This was your college.
This is my
Yeah,
college,
yeah,
and
yeah.
that's what I tell them.
And then your
also.
knuckle wuckle all came out of that. Of
Everything.
course, you have
So-
the ability to do it, but still.
So everything, my I have a very strong ear. The way I heard all the accents around
Yeah,
the
yeah,
world,
yeah.
I could listen to them. I knew exactly what the Aussies were talking like.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I knew could I hear them,
Yeah, yeah.
and I said, "Yeah, all right, this is what they do."
Did you
I'm-
speak back to them like that ever?
Many a times, and I would
you
all
broke into an accent. They'd be like, "Where are you
and
from,
they
mate?"
really thought that I used to make up stories.
Yeah.
because I had guest details.
You quickly
on-
got your geography book out. You know,
Yeah, the-
Tasmania. I live here.
So no, I had guest details. Somebody were so I really loved the word Derbyshire because one of the guests used had come in. I said Derbyshire. If ever anybody asks, I'll be like, "Oh yes, I've been to Derbyshire. My father used to live there and all that." So I used to make up things, and I was a storyteller since then.
Michael Holding County, huh?
Oh yes,
Whispering
the one
Death.
and only.
And Kim Barnett, if I
The
remember,
one and
captain.
only.
Yeah.
I wish.
I wish I've seen him live, huh? But he wasn't
West-
bowling at full pace in
West
'83.
Indies.
What a team, no?
So I need
I
to-
bunked school to see.
my biggest moment for cricket would be I was hosting the IPL during the COVID days. And we
Right.
were all packed up inside a hotel, and all the cricketers were staying, and we were all staying together. I've seen all of them every other day, but then there was Brian Charles Lara.
Wow.
All right, he was on the same floor, and every day he would come out, and I would never get starstruck by anyone.
yeah.
I still don't get starstruck by anyone. Brian Charles Lara is the prince for me. People really give me a lot of flack when I say I rank him above Sachin.
Did you? That's all. I mean,
I know.
no. In certain conditions, 100%. I would think chasing
Yeah.
the best batsman of his generation.
So I still remember I could never have the guts enough to go and talk to him.
Huh.
One of these days at the lunch hall, it was only him, and I entered with my suit, and I'm like, oh God, it's him. Sitting
Did you carry those hair cutters?
No. So I sat right next. I was sitting over there. I didn't even dare to speak to him. It was him.
By then, you're well known and all.
Yeah, and this is now.
So you couldn't talk to him.
This is now. Yeah, of course. But
I know what he's
starstruck.
saying.
I'm
Same thing
starstruck.
with
He's
me.
the only.
80s team still
Yeah.
starstruck. 90s team not so much. 2000. Oh, what do I care? Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Sit down.
So it's him who turns around and say, "Hey man, I've been seeing your work. You do pretty well." I said, "Mr. Brian Lara, big fan, this and that." And I didn't know what conversation to start. He said, so I said that I've always wanted to go to West Indies, and I would really. So after a few minutes, he says, "You know, there's no place called the West Indies, eh?"
Yeah. Good point.
I said, "Yeah,
Yeah.
it's the Caribbean islands.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on. Have you
only in
ever heard
cricket,
West Indies in any other sport?" And I'm like,
Bro, you touched a chord there.
I said, "Yeah, I've not heard West Indies
It's only for
apart
cricket.
from cricket anywhere else.
yeah.
Football, everywhere there's
Nothing.
Jamaica, Trinidad, Tobago, Barbados, Guyana, but it's not West Indies. And that's where we became friends. And
He
then,
gave you a geography lesson, basically.
and then he gave me everything. And he's one of those guys. He said, "You come to Barbados ever?"
So you
let
have
me
a
know.
wife in Trinidad?
Huh?
Huh? You said he gave you everything? He's the king of Trinidad.
He is. And he said this.
Huh.
He said, "Whenever you're down there, you just got to
He
let
owns a
me know."
palace. He literally owns a palace in Trinidad.
On that hill.
Yeah.
So I've heard, and he is the most wonderful human being I could hang around with. He's Brian Charles Lara, and he's hanging with us, talking to each and every one.
Yeah.
Long live Lara. Long
We
live.
thought Saurav was God on the offside when Rahul called him that. Because Saurav on the offside, fantastic. And then I saw Lara back.
Lara, no. Oh
And I
my-
couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe.
Music,
Square on the
man.
offside.
Is music.
Like a rapier coming in,
Yeah,
day-night match would come
Yeah,
against
yeah,
the light,
yeah.
the bat will come down and fadak.
Yeah. What was
Vaibhav
that?
copies him. Vaibhav is a big.
fu-
Vaibhav is completely like trying to be like him with a high
Pretty
back
much,
lift,
pretty
yeah.
much, pretty much.
Just carrying. I felt little more Lara. He has to.
I think
You know.
you can have a lot of cricketers who
Yeah.
are scoring a lot of runs.
Yeah.
But good to look at, the beauty of cricket, almost art, is
Hmm.
Rahul Dravid and Brian Lara.
Yeah.
When you see those cover drive, it's beauty. It's like as if it's art.
What was it? Dravid in Australia spent about 90 balls on one without scoring. And then the crowd gave him a standing ovation when he made one, and he puts his bat up. That's beautiful. Yeah. Yeah.
Rahul Dravid was born in Indore.
Yeah.
That's what we've been
True.
told.
Correct. Yeah.
So we,
Patidar is from Indore.
Rajat Patidar
Yeah.
is also from Indore.
But I think he'll be younger than you, no?
Much younger. Much
So,
younger.
so what do you call you, sir?
I don't know. I played a lot.
If your career goes in the wrong direction, would you take the job back? And then how would you handle the younger ones?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
I was a very
you
serious cricketer,
imagine?
Sai. I was a very serious cricketer. I
What's
could
it?
have actually been there.
But now you've become that Delhi boy who's under 19 khela man.
Man.
Virat was my cousin. No!
No.
Stop it, Delhi. Stop telling me the story. I
But
played for
not
under
Delhi.
19.
Not Delhi.
Indoor under 19.
Amay Khurasia was my captain.
Amay Khurasia?
Narendra Hirwani was our
Played one
coach.
game for India.
Yeah.
And he had a best record in the
against
Ranji.
Pakistan.
Yeah. Should have played more.
A man who shuffled on his off so much that his leg used to get exposed.
Fair enough, but his first class record is in second to
Brilliant.
none.
And we used to get him on the nets also.
So Amay Khurasia was in class with you?
No. He's much senior to me. And
Okay.
he was the captain of...
Moved to England, if I remember
Yeah,
right.
yeah. And Narendra Hirwani, who was the
Hirwani,
legendary.
yeah.
So he was a coach and I was very
You
good
played
at
Hirwani?
he was coach Saab by that time.
Oh, but then...
But he was wonderful. I used to be a really good fast bowler, and I would have done very well unless मेरे को वहाँ से नौकरी की जरूरत थी. But I'm glad, Sai, I'm sitting over here. नहीं तो by now I would have been in the commentary section.
Mahela, I've got a new talent. What? You're not there next year? What? Oh, sorry, bro, my contact's gone.
Can't play anymore. Yes, I tried getting a chance to play those.
How quick do you reckon you were?
There was
Bowling machine?
They clocked me. They
What?
clocked me. I was easily I'm not just making it up. I was 135 to 140s at one point of time. And if I had trained well, I would
You
have
could
gone-
easily hit the 130 highs
I was
as a normal
135.
bowler
I
at
was
your normal
135,
pace.
Yeah, and they clocked me. My coach used to call me Bhata bowler.
Hmm.
Bhata means patthar
Hmm.
because there was
It
nothing. There was
hit,
just
yeah.
a real sheer
Like
pace.
Jeff Thompson?
Yeah,
that
real
kind of-
sheer pace. Shoaib was my. I used to really look up to Shoaib and Kapil Dev as
Yeah.
my. And it's all about the
But your
back.
action was from
Shoaib.
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 Long run up?
Long run up, and all I knew it was that the back is everything.
yeah.
So I used to really go fast.
It's-
I still remember.
I've interviewed Shoaib. The forearms are fabulous.
Oh, nice. He's a legend for me.
Yeah.
For me,
Wow,
Shoaib.
can you do his knuckle? Because it goes to Scottish bird as well as Punjabi.
Pinned the
Can you do
munda.
him both ways?
And
Let's talk like him.
great
Great
Never
guy.
had those.
Are we allowed to praise Pakistanis? I don't know if we're allowed.
I mean, for cricket, yes, for
we should,
sure.
it should
Like
be allowed.
Shoaib Akhtar, man.
Wasim,
Wasim
Shoaib,
bhai.
Waka,
Oh my god.
Zahir Abbas, one of
I
my
think they
favorite
had-
batsmen.
They had
And of course,
best-
the great Imran Khan.
yeah, they had
My
the best
God.
bowlers ever, man.
Not
Can't beat
anymore.
them.
I don't know what happens. I'm feeling the West Indies thing has happened with Pakistan. I just feel the talent is less.
Mm.
And there's got to be a reason for it.
Yeah, that's true.
Because, Shaheen Shah Afridi, they made him to Wasim Akram. He's not Wasim
he
Akram.
was so good when he started off.
Yes, but you can't do this to these guys.
Yeah,
Yeah, you
true,
got to
true,
give them some time. Vaibhav also just be careful. Sachin.
True,
And he's still a kid. Things can look what happened to Prithvi.
Prithvi Shaw.
Yeah. What a talented cricketer,
True
yaar.
that, True that.
I hope
true
he
that.
gets back.
True that.
Yeah, yeah,
Absolutely.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
India has some
Yeah.
great talent. man.
Great stories for life and cricket when people
Sure.
have a second, wind and come back hard.
True that.
Yeah.
But yeah, so my great time at the Taj, where we got a good chance, and our timer already says 3 minutes to go, ladies
No,
and
but you
gentlemen.
haven't discussed your career at all.
अरे ऐसा मौका नहीं मिलेगा.
That's true.
कितना मेरे मतलब कि कहाँ तक जाएगी कहानी?
Part 2, part 3 करना पड़ेगा because I think cricket will be second part full.
Yeah, we're
then
all crazy about
We
cricket.
have to get you to come back.
Yeah, for sure.
We haven't spoken anything about. Is there anything you're doing right now that we should be talking about?
By the time this one comes out,
IPL's over.
IPL's over. I have a wonderful play coming up for Adyam that I'm working on.
Tell us quickly about Adyam.
So lots of theatre. I love being on stage. I think I watch
think
more theatre than I watch.
This is in
cinema.
August, the same.
The August one.
Yeah. Okay.
The one that's opening in August by
Okay.
Rajat Kapoor. I've worked a lot
Correct.
with him.
Yeah.
And I do Macbeth with
Can you
him.
do Rajat Kapoor nakal?
Rajat Kapoor खुद अपनी नकल नहीं कर पाते.
नहीं. वो बहुत toned down आदमी है ना.
Vinay Pathak, who's been
Can you do
here,
Vinay Pa-
and Vinay
We
Pathak
have to call
mentioned
Vinay for a full show.
Yeah, he said
forgotten.
wonderful things about you. Rajesh said a lot of wonderful things about you.
Rajesh, see Vinay, I haven't really drunk with once or twice. But Rajesh and I, when we were younger doing plays and stuff, we have drunk together.
Yeah.
And let me tell you what they say about kachis is true.
Yeah.
Because I'm a conjuice myself. We drink and then somebody else pays.
Pooja Bhatt sends you a lot of love.
She's in the play?
No, Pooja and me have been working and we're trying to figure out something with IVM too.
Wow.
And so
You're doing a potty with Pooja?
Pooja here. So Pooja sends you a lot of love and she
Yeah.
tells me with so
So
much passion about
My soulmate in that freaking house, man. You have no idea.
and how you both go back a really long way. Your 90s, the world that you guys
But we
used to
both
be-
used to drink. Different
and
world.
she wants is very passionate about sobriety. She wants to talk about kicking the bottle, about how things have changed.
We totally bonded on that, man.
Yeah,
because
yeah,
I drank
so-
too much and so did she in a
So
way.
for
and-
me, you guys
Are you an alcoholic?
no, my mom is.
What a sweet conversation. conversation we're having today, ladies and gentlemen. Now we'll do this in Bengali.
Yeah, by the time I finish this podcast and get back, maybe I'll have to pick up from the floor and.
Ouch.
Mom, I love you. Yeah.
And now we will reveal the woman who called him into the hotel room because she is a famous socialite. और आज भी बहुत famous है वो. 55 साल की उम्र है and husband is worth 50,000 crores. Your options are.
Oh Lord, oh Lord.
You want this to go on, na? ये सब गलत है. It's all lies, but you like the idea, na,
Yeah, dude,
bastard?
what the hell,
You
what
want a
the hell?
rich chick.
Yeah, what the hell? What the hell,
Are you
man?
married?
No, man, but I really feel that anyone and everyone who's gone through the kind of experience that I have.
Which is very rare. Not everybody gets this kind of worldview from.
Oh, what crazy.
Working in-
My entry into the radio industry happened through the
Taj.
same Taj reception through a wake-up call. I gave a wake-up call to a guest who liked my voice, and the next thing is I'm India's first ever private FM radio jockey.
Wow. Who was the person?
You know them all. There was so this particular gentleman and the 5 people who were there: Mr. Vineet Jain, Mr. Tapas
Oh,
Sen,
Times of India bosses.
Mr. Gaurav Sharma, Mr.
Oh, Gaurav
Samit
Sharma,
Nanda,
who
Sunil
runs his own thing,
Sehjwani,
yeah.
Mr. A.P. Parikhi. So
They were all sleeping together? वो तो एक wake up call किया मैं सारे लोग को wake up call दिया.
so that wake up call that morning.
To save money, they were all put in one room. And you have got a fabulous like timbre in your voice. I can imagine.
So imagine.
Ladies and gentlemen, wake up.
Wake up, it's 6:30 on the clock. Hope you have a great day ahead. So call back. I मैंने इसको सुना सुबह.
Which one of them was without clothes when you opened the door?
You're mixing up stories, Sai. This is not the same one. Gaurav Sharma, I love you too. Okay, but anyway, but
He's lost weight, no?
yeah, he has.
Yeah.
He has. So, but
Is it the big O?
yeah, it is.
It is.
Yeah.
But people don't want to talk about it, so I don't know.
No, but no. I don't. Oh no,
Who is the
not the
love-
big O. Not the big O for Gaurav Sharma for sure.
वो नहीं है ना?
No.
So just hard work.
Hard work. But I see a lot of people getting that big O face.
The
now.
face.
You can clearly
The
make
face.
out,
Somebody
man.
else has come and spoken about the face very candidly.
I don't know, man. I don't know how much. After one point of
No,
time,
the gauntness, see, for our age group, my age group and all, if they do it, younger people will get away, I think. My age group, you can't.
yeah.
You suddenly, your face becomes like you're about to last 2 weeks.
Yeah, man. No, but
Yeah.
Sai, but the way you worked out and the way you've changed the game for a lot of people,
Yeah, bro.
I'm hats off to you, man.
I'm toxic in the gym. I started slapping old people. 80-year-old man passes me by and he's got no energy. I just slap him. I'm like, remember the Germans.
oh shit.
Yeah.
Apart from being a wonderfully funny guy, great guy, I think you're a fitness influencer. I see you as a fitness. I see your
I'll be
workout
honest.
routines, and I'm like, what the?
I'll tell you,
fuck, dude.
I see myself in the eyes of my mom, my daughter, and my wife, and the word truth comes to mind. That I think is the best way to describe me.
Is she cooking for you? Is your wife? Do you?
A
eat-
mom, you mean?
Yeah.
Wife?
No.
तू क्या दिमाग नहीं है तेरे पास? World view. मैं तो आज मैं काम किया 2 साल.
नहीं पर तेरा इतना
Simple
खाना.
rules of life. Is your wife cooking for you?
No, but your
Zomato के बाद?
as somebody who's building, you need that kind of.
My wife, we have a lovely relationship, but she doesn't do much for me or me for her.
How many eggs are you on?
We are like watchmen with shifts.
Okay.
You know, 9 to 3, 3 to 10. It's like that.
But your diet
I
must
have
be.
50, I have 15 eggs. I don't need more. Very rarely if I have nothing to do on a Sunday or something and there are more eggs available, which I need 15.
No, it's
Zyada
crazy.
to नहीं
Diet
है.
is everything, man.
Yeah. For our age group, diet is very.
Fab what you.
Also, who you sleep with.
Yeah, true that.
You're lucky, yaar. हर दिन change कर सकते हैं. Just change the room number. I'll go to 427.
Excuse me, bellboy.
But Mantra has told us that a man was naked also. So obviously there was one guy in the lobby watching him. Yeah, going.
This is the best said.
Uh.
Bellboy.
Chutia, that's ball boy.
Ding dong.
No, you have to come back.
Okay,
We have to
right,
talk
sir.
about your life. I'll get
Right,
fired
sir.
later. Then all we did talk cricket. Basically, we talked cricket. Bro, we did talk. Actually, we talked about the interesting part of your life,
Yeah,
which is
yeah.
when you were like a nobody. And I have no
Yeah, yeah.
idea that you had this grounding and schooling.
Oh yes.
Going
But
on
post
around you.
radio, some crazy things happened. We'll talk about that
Lots.
some other
radio,
day. That's
radio
how,
and then post radio.
Yeah,
so there's
post
2
radio.
more avatars to
yeah,
get into.
Yeah.
All right, bro. What's the play called?
He hasn't named it yet. Oh,
That's the name. He hasn't named it yet.
Yeah.
Rajit Kapoor with Vinay
the
Phatak.
bird's eye view.
The bird's eye view.
It's basically about the history of the world between 1900 to 1950. Everything from the Great Depression, the World Wars, the emergence of jazz, quantum physics, everything.
With the way the world is right now, he thought this was a good idea to go into the world depression, the world wars, famine. I mean, I don't know, bro.
True.
So it's a comedy.
I'd like to see it that way. But yeah, we're working on
Good
that.
Good role.
Yeah. Saukar is supposed to be in it if he doesn't ditch.
Okay, a warning for you working with Saukar. call him 2 hours earlier than the rehearsal.
I'm
So he's there for the last half an hour.
sure.
Uh.
Neil Bhupalam is there.
Yeah,
Vinay
Neil's
Pathak.
been here.
Yeah, and it's
So
been-
good role, yours.
hopefully, yeah, we are
What
all
do you,
gonna
hope-
be-
you haven't started rehearsal?
The rehearsals are on, and it's a devised piece, so we are trying to.
Oh, a lot of
figure-
improv going
lot
on.
of improv that's
Okay,
working
great,
on.
great.
I'm working on my jazz.
I think it's on
singing
my
and a lot of
birthday.
stuff.
He's releasing it August 7th or around that time.
You're a Leo too. I know.
I'm a Leo.
that.
I'm a Leo. We're both Leos, yeah.
21st August.
But I didn't have women opening the door and saying, come in. I mean, I had them opening the door and saying, get out. That's a different experience.
I agree, Sai. I mean,
Let's end the show correctly,
Yeah,
boss.
yeah, some of the tables will turn and ask you questions about your earlier days, and I know this. You have. There needs to be an encyclopedia on Cyrus
See,
Brocha.
when I worked in MTV, there was one guy who got all the girls. His name is Nikhil Chinappa.
Of course, he
Please
did.
call him.
Of course,
Okay.
he did.
I got all the boys.
Of course.
Marketing, sales, we all go drinking, get drunk, and all that. None of us got
So
girls.
I was the next generation
Uh,
VJ after you guys. So
uh.
when I joined Channel V as a VJ, so me, Neil, Bhupalam, we were all working on it. Ruby was there at that point of time, and you guys had set some crazy fucking benchmark. And MTV always used to beat Channel V's ass, man. I mean, I don't know, man. There was
Long time ago, bro.
back in those
I do
days-
remember a lot of people worked in both channels sooner or later.
Yeah, they
So after
did.
some time, I mean, so much for Coke,
Luke
Pepsi.
was no. He
No,
was,
Luke didn't, but
No.
not the VJs, outside the VJs.
Outside.
VJs didn't want.
yeah.
Yeah.
Because then they were the face.
Yeah, the face of the
Do
channel.
you remember Trey?
Of course.
I
Bro.
mean, yeah.
He was your
that
favorite.
was MTV Singapore.
Did he open the door?
Remember
Singapore,
Muriel? His little.
Yes. And there was what is it, Casey Kasem's son, Mike.
Yeah.
You don't remember
Crazy
him.
days
Yeah,
for
yeah,
VJs,
yeah,
man.
yeah.
And I'm
And
glad-
Danny McGill was our original.
Danny McGill. Yeah.
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 He's the guy who jumped in Rang Bhavan. He jumped into the audience, which the Americans do, right? And you get caught.
Yeah.
We weren't prepared. Luckily, there's a hospital right there next to Xavier's College. He thought the crowd's going to catch him, so they do this dive like a Jesus-like figure. where
No, dude. That
they do
doesn't
that. You can't do that. You have to those, Jethro Tull concerts in the 80s or something, different world altogether. This guy, poor fellow, they were shouting and cheering. And most of the Indians, majboori ki baat hai na, we are all running like, no more shit for us to deal with. Bro, I came in and listen to music. You got a fucking white man falling all over me.
But yeah, man. Nikhil Chinappa, each and every one of you, man. thank you.
Chinappa, you kept them all.
Yeah, you.
I got Saukar as a roommate. Yaar, where girls? Saukar only complains. यार मेरे जो landlord है ना मैं जो and start 20 minutes monologue on the landlord.
I know, man.
Oh.
I know.
What a guy.
But good on you, Sai. Thank you
sir.
very much.
You have to come back. Oh, there are questions. Can we fit that in?
What the fuck?
Okay, quickly. Sorry, she's worked hard on this.
Ooh.
Uh,
I also do the same, man. My sheet.
let's see. It's called. In Shaktiman, the hero's funny alter ego Gangadhar Mayadhar Omkarnath Shastri worked as RJ for a local station. Is that true?
What language are you speaking? What is this?
Shaktiman's character, the Clark Kent character,
Yeah.
he's a DJ called with a very long, innocent,
Yeah.
sort of masoom name. Gangadhar Mayadhar Omkarnath Shastri.
I think Gangadhar. Yeah.
No. Is it true?
Is it true? Yeah. No?
Nah, he was a newspaper photographer
Shit,
for
no.
Aaj
Oh
Ki
yeah,
Awaaz.
food newspaper photographer. Sorry.
You didn't see Shaktiman?
I didn't understand what you were saying
Ah,
because
that's
you
true.
never said
That's-
saw
that's-
Shaktiman. I know that.
I'm also reading it for the first time. The 90s space Oh, it's here.
Oh,
Now you don't rely on me. Chalo, next one.
okay, next.
90s space fiction show Captain Vyom. Oh, Milind Soman. You must have.
Yeah.
This you remember, yeah?
Of
90s.
course.
Was it a daily soap? Was it aired every evening on Star Plus? What is the question? Acha, did it air every evening on Star Plus?
Was it daily soap? Vyom, Captain Vyom.
Is it a daily or is it a weekly? That's the only question.
Yeah, I think that was a weekly, if I'm not wrong.
Kitna Milind Soman dekhega hum log?
Yeah.
It had to be a weekly.
Milind Soman, my first ever tryst with him, he comes to Radio City in Delhi.
Huh.
And he looks at me, suddenly looks at me, hey, you're Kelly's brother? And I'm like, what?
Kelly Dorji?
You're Kelly Dorji. And then he looks at me.
Little bit, yeah.
And he's like, oh, I'm sorry, man. I'm
But Kelly's
sorry.
a good looking guy.
And
model
I
and
went
all.
up and looked up. I said,
Yeah.
Kelly Dorji. And I looked. I said, Papa?
Good looking guy.
Because I
There's
looked at him, he looked like my father.
a
So I'm like,
little bit, there's a resemblance.
Yeah,
huh?
so
So it's weekly. By the
Weekly.
way.
Yeah,
by the way,
that's what we said.
yeah.
on Doordarshan.
On Doordarshan.
Okay.
But is he the guy who opened the door?
No.
Channel V's South Indian cowboy Kukan Murugan became famous for the catchphrase "Mind It"
Mind it.
and his intense battles against his arch nemesis Samba. Now, is that one sec? Samba, is it true or not? That's the question.
Samba guy, Mind It, I remember he used to
Mind
do
it,
that.
yes, but Samba वो नाम सही है या नहीं है? Because Arch Villain is the name Samba.
अरे क्या questions बनाए तूने यार?
You're supposed to be the king of all
No,
media.
हाँ,
You know
but
all
नहीं,
media.
I know you.
तो
but-
मैं एक काम करता हूँ मैं. I'll just give you the.
हाँ.
What do you feel?
Samba नहीं था यार, it was something else, not like
Yeah,
a Reddy
yeah.
or someone like that.
Yeah, it was Rice Plate Reddy.
Rice Plate Reddy.
But I like the way you played it down.
Yeah, man.
याद नहीं है, कुछ तो है. You let it
कुछ
touch
तो
my.
था.
Your acting is fantastic.
Quicken Murugan.
Gun. Can you
Used
do
to
it?
have whiskey and dosa.
Yeah.
If I have whiskey and dosa or
Can you do
something.
the accent?
No, Quick Gun Murugan, Suresh Menon.
He also did the all the falling and all for them, no? All the
Yeah,
physical
yeah.
acting. Yeah. Hyperactive pink monkey mascot for Big Bubble became a 90s icon by using his stretchy gum to rescue other animals. सच है या गलत?
Yes, सही है. नहीं है. नहीं है. बिल्कुल नहीं है. हाँ है.
Monkey नहीं था.
Monkey नहीं था.
Good.
Monkey नहीं था वो.
नहीं, it was a turtle.
Turtle था.
Yeah. It was a turtle.
हे भगवान.
So
ये तो
last
बताया
guess,
नहीं था.
last guess got everything correct.
हाँ.
Like everything correct. Not one mistake. Dr. Cyrus Mehta, every single thing. But it was his subject. We have just prescribed this on your head कि boss ये media का. And
तू
that
मेरे को ये बता Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles के चारों turtles का नाम क्या था?
एक बंटी. In 1994, Mandira Bedi became
Teenage Mutant Ninja.
Mandira Bedi became household name. Title character Shanti and Shanti, which aired on ZTV. अच्छा, now so question is where it aired.
अच्छा ये क्या सवाल हुआ यार? ZTV या Star Plus दोनों में से कोई एक ही था शायद उस टाइम पे, but Shanti was
1994.
no DD था.
सोचो
It was a DD show. Yeah, it was a DD. Star. No DD. दूरदर्शन.
Yes. सही जवाब.
But Shanti, what a show that used to be.
Yeah.
But बताओ ना Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles के चारों turtles का नाम क्या था?
देखिए, एक है विश्वनाथ दुर्गा प्रसाद, देवी प्रसाद,
देवी प्रसाद,
लोकमान्य, जलोटा. Am I right? Huh.
Now I'll
Okay,
never
say.
I'll never call them
My
Indian.
kids used to watch, bro.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
नहीं, मैं नहीं देखा.
Donatello,
son.
Raphael, Michelangelo, and Leonardo.
Are they all famous
The
artists?
Famous,
Yeah.
because
And there's a fifth one, exchange student MF Hussain. He's there only in the sequel. He's not in everyone. Yeah? Bro,
yeah,
now
bad, but
India's time has come, brother.
It is. It has.
Chalo, we
totally.
have to stop. The new guest has already
Thank
come.
you very much.
Thank you so much. God bless you. कहाँ जा रहे हैं भाई? ले लो. भाड़ा पे लिया हमने.
Did you know Indians report nearly 800 cases of online financial fraud every day, which has resulted in losses exceeding 1,000 crores in the last 5 years? To keep you safe from such fraud, I am starting my newest podcast series, Conversation with Vigilante, an initiative by HDFC Bank. In every episode, I will feature special guests who can share expert insights on the different types of fraud, their modus operandi, and how you can protect your money. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't forget to tune into Conversation with Vigilante. Catch the episodes on all audio streaming platforms and V for Vigilante YouTube channel.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो,
Please. तमीज से बात करना है ना. Important people यार.